Good morning, everyone. Today we will continue our chapter 5th of political science, and our chapter name is Democratic Resurgence. Today we will discuss this topic: background to emergency, railway strike, Naxalist movement, conflict with judiciary, annulment of Indira Gandhi's election, declaration of emergency, and consequences. These topics we will discuss today. Now, background to emergency. First of all, we will discuss economic context. Burden of refugees due to Bangladesh war, and USA stopped all aid after this war. Increase in international oil prices, rise in inflation, low industrial growth rate and high unemployment rate, failure of monsoon in 1972 and 1973, leading to decline in food grain production by 8%. Gujarat and Bihar movements. In January 1974, in Gujarat, students began to protest against rising price and corruption, and supported by all opposition parties and people at large. It took the form of Now Nirvan movement. Soon, the president rule was imposed in the state, and the fresh election conducted in which Indira Gandhi Congress was defeated. Increased by the success in Gujarat, student in Bihar started the protest against rising prices, corruption, and unemployment in March 1974. Eventually, Ajay Prakash Narayana was approached to the assume leadership of the movement, and who agreed on to a condition: movement will be peaceful and it will not be confined to Bihar. He demanded the dismissal of the Congress government in Bihar and gave call of total revolution. The government, however, refused to resign. The movement gained momentum and began to influence national politics. In 1975, JP led People's March to Parliament. This was the largest rally so far in the country. The all opposition party, Jan Sangh, Bharatiya Lok Dal, Socialist Party, and other came in support of JP. These parties protest JP as a alternative to Indira Gandhi, and the movement now assumed the form of movement against the leadership of Indira Gandhi. Now, railway strike. Railway strike. The employees of the railways went on a national-wide strike in May 1974. They were led by the George Fernandes, and their demands related to the bonus and the service condition. The government refused their demands of the workers, and followed repression. The strike had to be called after 20 days without any settlement. Naxalist movement. Towards the end of 1960s, the Marxist-Leninist group, also known as the Maoist and Naxalists, become very active in West Bengal. These groups had taken to arm and insurgent techniques for the overthrow the capitalist order and establish the political system. Conflict with judiciary. What was the conflict with judiciary? Three issues of conflict emerged between the parliament and the judiciary. First, parliament power to abridge the fundamental rights. Supreme Court said it cannot, and parliament power of amendment. Supreme Court said it cannot amend the constitutional in such a manner the right are curtailed. And can fundamental right be curtailed to give effect to a directive principle? Supreme Court said it cannot be. And the controversy finally resolved with the Keswanand Bharti case, in which the basic structure theory was evolved. A political controversy also arose with the appointment of Justice A.N. Roy, the Chief Justice in 1973, and suspending the superiority of three judges. In opposition, all three judges resigned. Now, enrollment of Indira Gandhi election. On 12 June 1975, Justice Jagmohan Lal Singh of the Allahabad High Court gave a judgment annulling Indira Gandhi election to Lok Sabha. This judgment came of election petition filed by the Raj Narayan, who contested election against Indira Gandhi in 1971. Now, as a result, Indira Gandhi was no more in MP and therefore could not remain MP. The judgment was challenged in the Supreme Court, which gave a partial stay on 24th June. Says that the Indira Gandhi could remain an MP but could not take part in the proceedings of the parliament until her petition is decided. Now, declaration of emergency. On 25th June 1975, JP, supported by the All Opposition Party, held a massive rally demanding Indira Gandhi resign. He gave call to army, police, and government official not to obey the legal and immoral orders. In response, President imposed a state of emergency on the night 25th June under the Article 352 on the ground of internal disturbance. Now, consequences of emergency. All strike, protest, and public agitation were banned. Opposition leaders were arrested, and preventive detention act were used at that time. And press censorship was introduced, which meant that the freedom of press was taken away, and newspaper had to take a permission before publishing the news. Government banned RSS and the other organization. Fundamental rights were suspended, including Article 32. Constitution was amended the light of the judgment of Allahabad High Court to affect the election of MP, president, vice president could not be challenged in the court. 42nd Amendment was passed, which increased the duration of Lok Sabha from 5 years to 6 years. So these are our topics. Hope it is clear to all. Thank you so much.